Well, hello YouTube, it is me, Tri-State EDC, with a cheeky little box from Tulster out of Oklahoma. Now, they sent me, carry with confidence, yeah, they've sent me this box before, and I've filmed this entire video before, but there was an issue with the knife. And they recalled the knives that they had sold, fixed the issue, and sent them back. This is the fixed one. And we're going to bust her open as a family together right now. That's right, Tulster, all credit where credit is due. I let them know that there was some button stick issue, and they said, it's a known issue, we're recalling the knives, send it back before you release the video, because it was really bad. It was really bad in the video, and you know, we're going to use my knife real quick to bust this open, and I'll tell you all about it. So I sent it back, and along with a bunch of other people, sent theirs back, and they freaking fixed them. So, absolute shout out. That's what we want to see in the knife world. When there's an issue with the knife, pull it back, fix it, and send it out, especially at this price point. Ooh, oops. You know, $500-600 all American made knife, right? Nothing left in there. You know, that's how these companies should be behaving. And it was very nice to see. That is how it should be done. So all credit to GreyWorks and Tulster. Well done. Well done. In the box, we got some stickers. We got a lifetime warranty, made in America with love. GreyWorks, hard case, quality engineering. Pop her open. Woo! Yeah, inside we have this beautiful foam inlay, GreyWorks laser etched. We have the tool included to take the damn thing apart, which I love. And we have the KNAFS. The Tulster GreyWorks GW1 full tie button lock. Oh baby, oh baby. Let me close that up. This thing's sick. This is the second time I reviewed this knife, and I loved it when I first reviewed it. But again, that button stick was a problem. So because you've never seen it, I'll give you a real nice size comparison. I'll give you the full rundown. Spyderco Pair 3, just a hair longer, skinny guy, about as thick as a Rockwall. So not a big knife by any means. Great size for EDC, half an inch longer than the Pair 3. Great size, right in my ballpark. Really nice ergonomic lines. We got that beautiful chamfering, raw titanium, big old flipper tab. We got a nice milled titanium clip with the Tulster logo on there. And if you notice, no visible hardware on the show side, which is such a nice little touch. So we just have the extra long pocket clip screw and the extra long pivot screw. I did take this apart to fix it when I was having issues with it. It was absolute breeze to take apart. Getting it back together was pretty hard because they use an insane spring in this guy. So getting everything shoved back in there with a button lock's always a pain in the ass, especially when there's a really heavy-duty spring and tolerances are really tight. And trust me, tolerances were really tight on this guy. But let's pop her open. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Tonto. I think this is the exact one. It's got my love marks on it. I had been using it. I had been carrying it. Really nice Tonto. Nice swedge on the top. Relatively thin blade stock. So just a great all-round EDC user is kind of the whole build here. It's not an overbuilt, death machine, but it's just a great, can be used in tactical situations. Very stabby, pointy tip. But for me, popping boxes, I'm opening letters, I'm breaking down cardboard on trash night, right? That's what we're doing with our knives, let's be honest. But just a really nice profile. I love the way this looks. I really, really do. Spyderco Pair 3, open size comparison. Again, half an inch. Great blade to handle ratio, because the handles are about the same size, just a little bit longer. We got a ton of blade. There you go, tactile Rockwall. Love it. Looks great. Good size. Big fan. Oh, no, help me. My Pedialyte's kicking in. The Pedialyte's hitting me. Help. Gotta stay hydrated, kids. It's very important. Beautiful. Lock up. Solid. Solid as a rock. It is a plunge lock. Plunge button lock. Tons and tons of internal milling to keep the weight down. Ergo's in hand. Yeah, feels great. Locked in. Choke back. No issues. Thumb out on that blade. Locked and loaded. Really nice ergonomic lines. It's very comfy. Just melts into the hand. Big old finger choil, choke up right about there. Thumb on the blade for more control, more leverage. Excellent. Feels incredible. Big fan. Pinch grip? Yeah, you bet your ass. It's an all-day bench grip. You can pinch her all day long, baby. Yeah, feels excellent. Feels great. No issues. No problems. Comfy, cozy. All day. Tulster, congrats. I don't hand those out to everybody willy-nilly. You got to earn a pinch grip around here. And you, sir, you have. Yeah, very, very nice. Beautiful stuff. Action on bearings. This is where things fell apart last time. A little bit. It's much better. You can hear it. But before it was heinous. It was. Do you remember the Mura, that Italian titanium integral button lock that I reviewed ages ago? It was as bad as that, where like at certain points I had to use both thumbs to apply pressure, and at some points it got so bad I had to crack the button on this corner of the desk because I couldn't close it. Yeah, this is great. Just the tiniest bit of button stick. It's still there. Don't get me wrong. Uh-oh. But it's a drastic improvement. It's a drastic improvement, so... Well done. Good on them. I believe they just switched from a titanium button to a stainless button. Titanium on steel, which the blade is Future Me 20CV. Future Me? Future Me. I forget the blade steel. I don't know. I don't know. Please help. I genuinely don't know. I think it's 20CV. Steel and titanium don't play well together. That's why you have a lot of problems with titanium liner locks. If you don't carbonize the lock interface or have something in between the titanium and the steel, you get horrible lock stick. So what had happened is they were using a titanium button, and that just caused all kinds of problems. So now they've switched to a stainless button. It's a usable knife. It's a usable knife again, and I'm here for it. Again, still some button stick, but nothing I can't handle, nothing I can't deal with. It is a flipper and a flipper only, but we have that big old flipper tab. She pops right out. That's the one thing I said in the original video that you'll never see. The detent is so crispy. Usually plunge locks, they don't have like a detent, but you know what I mean. But the break of this popping open is so satisfying. Makes a great noise. Really smooth on those bearings. Solid. And it's all American made. And I'm so here for it. A great acoustics too. Makes a good noise. Very clunky. Yeah, the Tulster GreyWorks GW1, their first knife, like their first go at it. And what a ballsy way to go is just go straight to American made, straight to the $500-600 price point. I mean, I love the design language. I love the build. I love all the extras you get in the box. For that money, I'd like to see maybe some crazier higher end steels. And I would love to see different versions, different blade shapes. You know, it seems like they still have a little bit of work to do on the button lock. Like if they can just delete any amount of button stick altogether, this is going to be an absolute banger. And to see this with different blade shapes, even if they just kept this handle and just changed out different blade shapes, this is a great line and a great first go at it. And I'm so here for it. So Tulster GreyWorks links will be down below. We do have to cut something. Again, Future Me blade steel, I can't remember. 20 CV. I know the knife, I believe is $599. $599. Future Me, is that right? Thanks. I'm pretty sure, but will it cut? Oh yeah, nice flat grind. Something else I'd like to see, hollow grinds. Just saying, Tulster, you know, I'm kind of a slut for a hollow grind. You put a hollow ground Warncliffe on one of these, I'll give you the Knife of the Year freaking award, pal. American made Knife of the Year, how about that? Yeah. Yep. It's excellent. Really nice and thin and slicey behind the edge. It's a great knife. It's a great knife. First go at it. It's really impressive. And again, kudos to them for realizing there was an issue and offering to fix it for free for everybody. Like, that is the way this knife community works. It's all about giving back and doing the right thing. And that is like the legal definition of doing the right thing. So thank you, you know, and thank you for letting me kind of smack talk it on live streams for a couple weeks before I sent it back. I didn't smack talk it. I just said that the lock stick was horrendous. So Shout out to them. Thank you, GreyWorks. Thank you, Tulster. We'll talk about this on live streams. Plenty of pictures on Instagram, videos on TikTok. Follow me everywhere. Like the video, comment. Let me know what you think. Subscribe to the channel. Links down below, like I said before. Patreon. Hit me up on Instagram, TikTok, and Threads. I already said all that. Shut up. It's early. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, bye-bye now. Thank you.